Hi everyone and welcome to the review of my stocks over the last month, and I'm going to go through my current portfolio of stocks. I know a lot of people like this video and looking how they've done and trying to get ideas for stocks that they could invest in. So I'll go through the ones that I'm invested in. I'll try do a couple of reasons why and try not copy reasons from the last couple of times I've done these, and I'll try give you some information about recent kind of news that's come out about this stock and potentially why it's changed to that percentage. Overall, the last month has actually been quite a good month. I think August, the month before, was okay for most of the stocks. Actually, it was really good apart from two stocks. But this month was a pretty good month for a lot of the stocks, a lot of greens in the stocks, which is always great to see. So we're going to start off number one, as always, Square. Square was up 13.65%, which is I'm really happy with that. Square had a very bad month. Well, not very bad, but it was down 5% last month. So it's up 13.65%, which is good. I am happy with Square. I wasn't going to sell Square stock. It's a really run company. I'm very happy with the return I've got in Square at the moment. So I'm going to keep invested into Square. Number two, Wynn Resorts. Wynn Resorts was up 12.42%. My other red from the last month, Wynn was down 1.72% last month. It was up 12.42% this month, which is another good month for Wynn. The reasons why, I actually saw a couple of articles from Wynn, and they're on about how much money it's making from the casinos and the current hotel that it's building in Boston. I think that had a massive impact on the articles on that this month. So potentially that is why it jumped up 12.42% overall. Happy with Wynn, don't have any plans to sell it all. At number three, absolute giant, Alibaba. Like, oh my god, it is killing it, Alibaba. It is a great stock. I bought a lot of shares in Alibaba. I recommend it to you. If you're thinking of buying in Amazon, don't buy in Amazon, buy in Alibaba. Honestly, really good return, and the numbers that it's producing, seriously, over the next 2 years, it will pay off to get invested in Alibaba, I reckon. So definitely not a stock I would sell, and it is definitely one I recommend. Probably going to make the 4 stocks or 3 stocks, I'm not sure on that one yet, that I'm going to be recommending into October. Ferrari's the worst month for me for a long time. Ferrari was down 0.75%. The reason why that Ferrari went down 0.75% is it had an awful day towards the back end of last month. It actually got downgraded, saying it was overweight, which is stupid. It is a great company, it's a great branded company. The profits on Ferrari are consistently good. So that's just kind of someone that's probably got a short sell on it, trying to bring the stock back down, but at the end of the day we can say they can go do one. Ferrari will recover, it's already started recovering, which is great. Love Ferrari, it's a great company, and it's probably another one that will pop onto my recommend list in October, depending on what happens in the next week-ish. So Boeing as well, Boeing was up 3.41%. Boeing's been really steady since I invested in it. Well, that's why I invested in it. I'm not invested heavy in it, just because I thought it was a really good run company. A lot of orders coming in at the moment for Boeing. So yeah, it's definitely a stock that is, it's not one that I put on the recommendation list for 4 stocks I'm buying, but because it's so steady, it's just short of there, but I'm just not heavily invested into it. And my last stock that I'm going to do with a percentage is Live Nation. Live Nation was up 5.36%. Pretty good month for Live Nation. It's just a steady company. It goes up. I'm probably going to get a little bit more heavier invested in Live Nation over the next kind of months. It potentially could be a stock to make it into the stocks you should buy in October list. It's just consistently good revenue, and also because of the festive, this is such a good time for like Live Nation, because it has the festivals, it has the money from that, a lot of resales, and then a lot of artists do tend to tour in like probably November to December, so we see a nice kind of income revenue from Live Nation on their earnings report, which probably make the stock jump up a little bit, so we'll see what happens there. But I really like the Live Nation stock, really do. And then just two notable mentions, my two new stocks. Apple, which we'll see what happens over the next month, whether or not that kind of paid out or not. And then I have recently, late last week, invested into Nvidia, which is also already up quite a bit. I really like Nvidia. I've always said I like Nvidia. I used to be invested in Nvidia. I'm back into Nvidia now. It was kind of that or Tesla, and I'm still not massive on Tesla at the moment. It needs that profit for me to go in there. But Nvidia, really good company. They just got so many things going for it that I just can't resist looking at that stock anymore without investing in it. So I've gone a bit heavy in Nvidia, I'm not going to lie. So we'll see how that does in the next month's video. So guys, give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and the next video I do will probably be my 3 stocks or 4 stocks I'm buying in October, which is really weird to say. Can't believe it's now October. So guys, like, subscribe, see you in a bit.